Ever wondered how to choose the right tofu? Tofu, a vegan diet essential, can be puzzling with its variety. From silken to extra firm, each type has its role. Fear not, by the end of this video, you'll be a tofu choosing pro. Tofu comes in a variety of textures, from soft and silken to firm and extra firm. These include silken tofu, known for its creamy texture, perfect for blending into sauces or desserts. Soft tofu, slightly firmer than silken, is typically used in soups or lightly cooked dishes. Firm tofu holds its shape well, making it a top choice for stir-fries or baking, so it's versatile and absorbs flavors brilliantly. Extra firm tofu, the most solid type, is ideal for dishes requiring a substantial texture like kebabs. Remember, the type of tofu you choose depends on the dish you are planning to make. Freshness is key when it comes to tofu. You may ask, how can we determine its freshness? Check the expiry date first. It gives us an idea of its shelf life. Avoid tofu near expiry, especially if not using immediately. Examine the package next. A bloated appearance indicates bacteria, affecting taste and health. Finally, smell the tofu. A sour smell is a warning. Fresh tofu has a mild, slightly sweet smell. These simple checks ensure freshness, contributing to a flavorsome meal. Remember these tips when shopping for tofu, and you'll be well on your way to becoming a tofu connoisseur. Have you ever considered the importance of choosing organic and non-GMO tofu? Choosing organic means the tofu is cultivated without harmful pesticides, ensuring you're consuming only pure soy goodness. Non-GMO tofu is made soybeans that haven't been genetically modified, the effects of which are still largely unknown. Your choice impacts not only your health but also the environment. Choosing organic and non-GMO tofu is not only better for your health, it's also better for the environment. Let's quickly recap the key points on how to choose the right tofu. We began with an overview of tofu, its and process of creation. We explored different types, each with a unique texture and use. Silken is ideal for smoothies and desserts, and extra firm works well for stir-fries and grilling. Fresh tofu should be white or slightly off-white with a clean aroma. Discoloration or sour smell? Red flag. Check expiry dates and sniff. We also recommended organic and non-GMO tofu for quality and environmental benefits. Remember, texture, freshness, and quality matter most when selecting tofu. Happy cooking!